Yo, what's up, guys? What's up? What's up? Can you hear me? I think you should hear me. Yo, what's up, guys? Should work. It should work. It should work. Let's see. I'm gonna wait a few more minutes for some people to join. And then we look for a live trade on NQ. What's up? What's up? NQ. Let's see what we get today. Currently, I'm looking at Bitcoin. What's up, guys? What's up? What's up? Hope everybody is doing well. Bitcoin is now on the way to those highs. Could be a potential short since hour 4 still bearish. And we are in the heavy discount zone right now. But of course we need like a proper break. Your voice is a bit low. Should be okay now, I hope. We had like the break of structure. We had one right here. And it gave like 1.2 R moves. Unfortunately, it didn't went to the lows, which I was anticipating. But still, it is what it is. And now we wait for a proper break, because no break, no trade. We had like a very unclean break as well here, but no follow through. But as you see, price action here was very ugly. And if we get this now, sweep the highs, then we have this new low to break, and then we could try a short. That would be something I would be willing to take. Until we break this on the hour 4, then it's time to look for some longs again. So we have some room to the upside. But yeah, of course, first we have to wait for a proper break. Let's see what NQ is doing. We have like some volatility going right here at the open. And let's check where market is standing. By just analyzing from this last leg up, we are not in any internal liquidity, as you can see right here. No internal liquidity. Can you please show how you entered Solana on the weekend? Yes, we'll show you after this. So let's check the leg quickly. 1, 2, 1, 2. So currently we are bullish. Is this candle outside? Yes, it is. And the range low is handy. It is that range low is also the low to break to get bearish. Here we only have one up candle, so this is the low. And we are either continuing or getting below here for shorts. But we have to wait. Price needs a few more minutes, 5 more minutes until the range is closing, and then we can look for a trade. Solana, is it here, right here, Solana. Solana was, I have to check it myself. We switched M15 bullish right here, but obviously it was the middle of the night. Oh, voice crack. It was the middle of the night, and I didn't enter. And we had this big pump to the upside, this huge imbalance, and it got filled basically at some point right here. We also were right on the hour 1 200 EMA, and all those things in confluence. I just entered yesterday in the afternoon, since hour 1 is filled this big imbalance. We were above the EMAs. M15 broke structure bullish right here, and I usually would have entered right here and I would be in this trade, but obviously I was sleeping, so I entered at that point yesterday because I would be in this trade purely from trigger wise, so I just entered it. Our 1 EMAs gave support, and I was basically anticipating the Sunday pump, and it actually worked pretty well. I would not say that this is a very dialed in system. I took it on a breakout account, and it was a purely, of course, some stats behind it, but it wouldn't be something I'll take every day. Okay, 3 more minutes for the opening range to form, then we will watch our scenarios for the day. Bitcoin swept the high, and now we have a new low to break, which we could then play as a short. Yo, Avery Trader, what's up, man? Good to see you. The hoodie is matching my drink. Cool, cool. So now we wait 2 more minutes until the range to close. Then we'll check what we get today. Ethereum followed the plan very well that I posted on X. We switched structure right here to the downside. Then we got this clean low, or this clean high to break. We broke it right here. And the trade was basically like this. It was the same trade as Solana basically. And anticipating the Sunday pump. So it followed my analysis to a T. Didn't take this one, but I took Solana obviously. And Solana was a pretty banger trade. Look, we have a nice reaction of this high. Very nice reaction. Actually, we'll update my Twitter really quick. How many altcoins trades do you take max at the same time? Probably only one. Like, I either take a Bitcoin trade or an altcoin trade, but I don't take multiple trades. I take Bitcoin trades and I take one altcoin trade. Mostly it's Solana. And yeah, but not more, since I already trade NQ. I don't want the hassle to look at 10 different coins. What's up, Niels? What's up? What's up? Okay, let's check it. NQ, the range is closed and we might get a continuation pattern here. Since we are still bullish, this was a liquidity sweep, but now we are closing above. Let's check targets. Okay, not yet. Also have to prepare my account to take the trade myself. Let's see what we get here. Do we get the close above or do we not? I exited this trade break even. Was a good choice. And now I focus on NQ. I started also a new 200k prop firm challenge on another prop firm that I'm not working with, that I'm not partnered with, but I want to expand my portfolio. So I started another 200k challenge to get 200k extra funding. And this will be the first trade I will take if we get it. I will actually prepare it. In case we get it. Entry would be at the range high. Take profit. I need to get used to this platform. Okay, never mind, we are back in the range. But still, let's see. We might get a close above. Oh, now I got it. I was at sell, not at long. I didn't see the button. But we are not getting the trade anyways. Just need to get used to this platform. But now I got it, yeah. 6 more seconds. but we are still in the range, so no valid trade. Nope. Now we also have like a short scenario, of course, since this is a nice low that we break for structure shift. Why? Because 2 candles up right here, 2 candles down right here, and here we have the next 2 up candles. So this is the low to break while we swept liquidity right here. And now we can also get a short scenario in if we get 2 candle closes below here. Here we need 2 candle closes because we need to shift structure first, obviously. Here we need only 1 candle close because we are already bullish, and close above range high would be my trigger. What's up, Leno Martins? What would be your stop loss on Bitcoin? If we get below here, my stop loss would be just the high. And then take profit right here, something around this. Obviously with some TPs in the way, because it's a higher R trade, I would already probably take some profit right here around this area. If that answers your question. Now let's see if NQ shows some strength to start this new funded account. But for now we're getting nothing. Complete. Yo, sir. Check silver broke structure. Let me see. Where do I have silver? Right here, silver? You mean on which time frame? You probably mean on the lower time frame, right? On 5 minutes. I never traded silver on the M5. But if you want to trade M5, then you are already too late, because this would have been your break. For my system at least. If I would transfer it onto silver, you would need this break. And your trade would be already up 1R. On the M15, on the other hand, we are right here. So on the M15 you are correct. Maybe you mean M15. Also check higher time frames. Not a bad area, too long, no? To be honest. Let's check targets, possible targets. Oh yeah, we have some room right here. 9R trade. On M5 I booked one. Oh, very nice. Good catch. 15 minutes we can enter now, right? You could enter now, right now. Yes, you could, but I would do it like this. This M5, this flat candle as entry, and then you have 2R for this clean second to highest high. But if you entered on the M5, I would not I would not enter again here because you should be already in from the M5 break. Today's London setups, my group already saw them, and Q's London setup was a stop loss today. We entered right here after this break, stop above, and obviously got stopped. But Euro on the other hand, same setup in the other side, got a nice take profit. Those are concepts that I teach in my one-on-one coaching, and if anyone is interested to learn to trade like me, learn how to build a system on your own, learn my systems that I trade, go to my X and send me a DM, and then we'll check. We are full now for the month, but next month we will open some places again. If anyone is interested. What did I do here? Okay, and Q is above again. Let's see if we close above this time. Is the Bitcoin weekly low weak? Weekly low. I think so, yeah, should be weak. Yes, because it's early. It got printed at 2 AM on a Monday. I think it should be later in the week for a higher probability low. But I'm not too sure about that. It's just what I remember vaguely from my brighter data use back then. But it should be weak, yes. Should get taken out. Okay, let's see if where we need to enter this. Range high is at 701, so we need to enter at 704. We need to close above here. I'm preparing now my position. Yes. Let's see, if we close like this, I will set a limit at this, at the range high, and then I'm done. But we have 1 more minute for it to close above. Oh, it's really fighting with the range high. Let's see if we close above. Bro is fighting. But I think we will close above and I will take this trade. Yes. Also entering on my private broker. I get a nicer entry now. And sending it out as well to my group. And we are in. Let's see. Now, what will this trade do? There are a few possibilities, guys. We either pump from here or whatever. Go a bit back, go up. At this point, I'm setting the trade break even. And at this point, that's my take profit. Second chance, I set it break even. We get stopped break even. Third chance, I get stopped. That's it. And if anyone is copying this trade, it's a 50% win rate or 47% win rate. And don't expect to make money only taking this one trade. If you take this one trade only, it's like gambling in a casino. You only get your edge over the market if you would copy this system over the long run, over a few 100 trades, 200 trades. Then you would have edge. Copying only one trade doesn't make you profitable. This trade basically alone is like a roulette. Put it on black and spin the wheel, you know. You get, as a trader, your edge you get over the market if you have a profitable system and you execute it over the long run. Even the best systems in the world have losers, they have negative months, they have even 2 negative months in a row. That's part of the game. And you really need to do it consistent over a long run to be profitable. Yo, I'm up $200. Okay, we are in this trade, guys. Good luck to everyone that took it. Good luck to myself. Quickly putting it in my journal. Yeah, Bitcoin is still sandwiched. Yeah, as I mentioned, guys, 50% win rate. Don't expect to make money only copying one trade because it's a gamble. If you want to learn how to trade long term, hit me up on X, of course, as always. Bitcoin is sandwiched. Which firm did you buy the new challenge? It's called My Crypto Funding. It's pretty similar to Bright Funded. Obviously, I am associated with Bright Funded. They are still my partner and I recommend them. But obviously, I want to expand my prop firm portfolio as well. And now I'm trying My Crypto Funding. Bitcoin, what are we doing? We are waiting. We're waiting for something to do. This low needs to break. And yeah, before that, I'm doing nothing. I'm praying for NQ to send. And that's it. I'm done for the afternoon. Guys, does anybody has questions? Feel free to ask some questions if anyone has some questions. If not, we're gonna wrap it up. I'm waiting now for NQ to stop me out. But I'm in profit right now. Don't jinx it. Keep the dog away from the buttons. Yeah, the dog. I fired him. We ate him. We didn't eat him, of course. He's too expensive to just eat. Let's go, let's go. I'm up 250. Send it. Let's see if we can break this losing streak. Yes, would be time. Would be time by now. But it ain't too bad. We will get over it. Of course, of course. Yeah, okay. For now, I'm gonna let this trade run. I'm getting nervous if I watch this now the whole time. Or not nervous, but I don't know. I don't need to watch it. I've learned myself to not watch a trade after I take it. Obviously, for the live stream, I have to look at it a little bit, but in the end, it doesn't matter what happens because just have to stick to the plan. And the plan stays the same even if I look at the trade or not. Awesome. Guys, if there are no more questions, I'm gonna wrap it up for the day. I am in this trade now and I will now wait for this trade to hit stop loss or hit take profit or break even, whatever. If there are no more questions, we're gonna wrap it up. And yeah, to all my group members, to all my students in my group, I'll stay in touch with you today because we have plans. We have work to do. And if anyone is interested to learn to trade, Send me a DM on X. Oh, we are sending now, guys. Let's go. I'm up. I'm up. I'm up. A good dinner. Okay, Niels, thank you for joining. I'll talk to you later. And to the rest as well, guys, thank you all for tuning in. And if you copy this trade and it hits take profit, you can send me a little bit, you know? I'm joking. Okay, guys. Thank you all. Next public live stream will be next Monday. Rest of the week I'm streaming 2 times for my private group. And yeah, all my live trades also in the group only. So this is the only public live stream that I do every week and the only trade that you will see. But yeah, you can still learn a lot from this one live stream a week, I guess. And if you're interested for more, just hit me at the end. Okay, guys, good luck with all your trades, and I will see you next Monday, and all my group members, I'll see you tomorrow, or in the chat, of course, today. Peace out. Have a nice afternoon.